Oh, this color is gonna hit so good in the sun. I knew this color was gonna look good. I knew it, but it honestly exceeded my expectations. In one lighting, it looks like a certain color, and in another, it looks not completely different, but it looks different. And I really like this side. I don't think the camera's doing it justice, guys. This thing is loud as hell. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, the car has the door open, trunk open. There's some rags. There's a Pepsi bottle with I don't know what that is, but we're cleaning the car, getting it ready to get wrapped. Over there is the wrap. I can't get too close to it. Alright, actually I can, so I can see it, but you guys won't be able to see it. Oh, it's my first time seeing it. I've had this wrap, bro, since like February, and I've never even opened it. Oh, this color is gonna hit so good in the sun. Shout out to my guys over at Vinyl Frog for sending it over. Bro, this lighting is not doing this color justice. I'm not sure if you guys can see that because you guys are seeing black and white, but that spark will go crazy. But anyways, enough of all that. We're gonna get to work and start installing this wrap.
And it's gonna be sick, low key, bro. Shit.
Alright guys, it is now a couple of hours later from the last clip you guys just saw. So obviously you guys can't see anything. So we ended up getting the door, the A-pillar, and the rear quarter panel done. I wish you guys could see this color, bro. This shit is fire, dude. Especially when the light hits it. I mean, you guys obviously probably won't be able to tell that it has a flake. Maybe you will, I'm not sure. Depends if the camera catches it in black and white, but bro, trust me, this thing is looking fire. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep. I'm not too sure when I'm posting this video, but tomorrow we are actually gonna go pick up a new car, God willing. If everything goes good, we should be coming home with a new car. The only downside to this, the only thing that I'm dreading about this is that it's a 6.5 hour drive there, and then a 6.5 hour drive back. So it's not gonna be fun, but it'll be worth it at the end. All right guys, it is now a couple of days later from the last clip you guys just saw. We've actually had some more progress on the Z. The last time I picked up the camera, this side of the car was done. So like I said, the pillar, the door, the rear quarter panel on this side. I can't get over how good this color looks, bro. I knew this color was gonna look good. I knew it, but it honestly exceeded my expectations. Especially when the sun or the light hits it. I tried to record it yesterday or the last time I picked up the camera and like add some light to like show you guys the flake, but I don't think you guys can see it because it's black and white. But bro, this thing is sick. It has so much flake. It literally looks like paint. You guys are gonna love it, bro. I'm loving it so far. I can't wait for the car to be done. But like I said, the last time I picked up the camera, it was this side. Now, this side is pretty much done too. Just missing the gas cap. But bro, this side looks so much better than the other side just because of the way the light hits it in this area right now. This thing looks sick, I'm telling you. In one lighting, it looks like a certain color, and in another, it looks not completely different, but it looks different. And I really like this side. I really wish you guys could see it, but I don't want to show you guys until the car is completely done. It should be done pretty soon. Just need the rear bumper, the front bumper, the side skirts, the hatch, and that's it, honestly. So that's the good thing about my car, how I have a good amount of carbon and how the car is black. I don't wrap the mirrors, the roof, the hood, or the fenders, or the lip, I guess. So it's not a whole lot that needs to be wrapped. It'll be done fairly quick. Just waiting on my homie to have time to come by again and pretty much finish the car. I'm still debating on whether or not to leave the TE37s on here just because they have red. I think it looks good. Honestly, I think it does look good. But I also have my Nismo sitting around inside, so I don't know if I should just slap them on. But once I decide on which wheels to leave on, the other ones are probably going to be up for sale because As you guys know, I am in the market for another car, and if I sell those wheels, I'll pretty much have wheels for the new car. So gonna have to make a decision on that pretty soon. But I'm not gonna lie, even though it has the red sticker, I feel like it matches perfectly because I'm still gonna leave the red headlight and all the red interior pieces. So I feel like I'm gonna just leave these and end up selling the Nismos. But bro, I'm telling you guys, this thing looks so sick. I really can't wait to show you guys. Bear with me. This thing is gonna be worth the wait. But funny enough, I just got a call right now for one of the homies. He just bought a new car, a pretty sick ass car, a car that I will personally love to own one day. And I'm gonna link up with him later to show you guys and also check it out for myself. So I'll pick up the camera once that time comes. Look at this dude, got another Z06. The homie Jimmy bought yet again another Z06. It's like his 30th car. And like I told you guys, this thing is cam, so let's hear how it sounds. It's full bolt-ons too, right?
Yeah, just make sure it's neutral. Okay.
So the car has full bolt-ons, intake headers. Are those stock tail lights?
No, they're not.
I like them. Bro.
That's the valve closed. Hey,
Wait, valve closed? Oh, no way, bro. Damn, I smell that fuel.
Yeah, it's great vibe.
Damn, that's sick. I don't think the camera's doing it justice, guys. This thing is loud as hell.
Close them again, man.
Even with the valves closed, this thing sounds
Yeah,
sick.
it's already loud with the valve closed. It has like full aftermarket exhaust, like headers, X5, cab bag, everything.
Dude, this
It's like
thing is
basically
sick.
like fully done up, but the exterior looks soft. Sick.
Yeah, he just told me the plans with it, looks wise, and this is gonna cook, bro.
When
Unless-
have you seen a white Z06?
Off the top of my head, I don't think.
Yeah, you just don't see 'em.
He's gonna cook with this build, guys, unless of course I buy it off of him or something.
Yeah. Everything's for sale.
Yeah, he always says that everything has a price, everything's for sale. So I don't know. This thing is super sick, guys. They made 550 wheel, right?
Yeah.
Damn. Cam V8. I need a Cam V8 in my life. Yeah. I know the power just smacks you in the face on this one.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
You haven't got on it yet?
A little bit. It's kind of scary.
Oh, because of the tires?
Yeah, I mean, they're good tires, but it's like, you know, they're just like whatever the stock tires are.
Yeah.
They have drag, but
This thing is sick. This thing fucking stinks, bro. It reeks like 91. I don't think I've smelled this much 91 in a minute. Yeah, this car on 85 will make what? Like 600 all day?
probably close to 600. Probably gonna put on 85 just to get rid of the smell.
Yeah, in my opinion, I think these are the best naturally aspirated V8s out there. American Muscle. GT350 just randomly pulled up. He said 50 roll.
50 roll? Okay.
Bro, get gapped. Always cool linking up with the homie. He always has a new car whenever I see him, bro. Like he said, everything's for sale. Should I? Should I give him an offer? I don't know, I kind of want a B58 though. Sick ass roll. Bro, that thing sounds insane. Just hear it. Sounds sick, bro. Give my boy a follow. He has a new car like every other 2 weeks, bro. I'm trying to get him to do YouTube. I just know this dude will like go off on YouTube, go off on social media, but he just doesn't post. Hopefully he does one day, but for now, follow his Instagram. Yeah. always has a dope ass car, bro. It's crazy, bro. That car is a 2007 and it still looks modern, bro. Like, it doesn't look old. He was telling me off camera that that thing averages like 6 to 10 miles per gallon. Look at the little kid. Yeah, that shit's sick. Makes me want a V8. But like I said, I really want a B58. What do you guys think? Should I look for a Z06? I've actually looked for some, but haven't found any that I like. This car is fucking immaculate though. It has 27,000 miles. The paint is pretty, the paint is pretty much perfect. Yeah, this fool always buys sick ass cars, bro. What the fuck? Okay. Alright, Jamie.